This is the Xiaomi POCO X2. Released on the 11th of February 2020, it is a rebranded version of the Xiaomi Redmi K30. It falls in the mid-range spec category, and this is what it looks like from the front, the back, the sides, top, and bottom. It supports 27 watts fast charging and comes with the charger in the box, available in variants of blue, purple, and red. It has 4 cameras on the back, a 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide, a 2 megapixels macro lens, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. It records videos at up to 4K at 30 FPS, 1080p at up to 120 FPS, and 720p at up to 960 FPS. The front also has multiple cameras, 2 cameras to be specific, a 20 megapixels main and 2 megapixels depth sensor. It records videos at up to 1080p at 30 FPS. It has an infrared blaster to control things like TV and other home or work devices. It has the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back, and it uses an aluminium frame. You can either use 2 SIMs and no microSD, or 1 SIM and 1 microSD. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, a standard 3.5mm audio jack, and it uses a USB Type-C connector. It features a 6.67 inches IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 4500 mAh battery to go with it. It uses the Snapdragon 730G chipset, and its benchmark scores are about 280,000. It starts at 64 to 256 gigs of internal storage and 6 to 8 gigs of RAM. Managing all these hardware is the Android 10 based MIUI 11 operating system. Its price starts at around $219 for the base version and about $274 for the best version. What do you think about the Xiaomi POCO X2? Smash or pass?